What's up, guys? How are you doing? I hope you're all doing good. Yes, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Oh my god. So, we want to prepare lunch together. I hope you're going to love this video. Very, very authentic. So, I was preparing banana, and that's why my hands are looking like this. So, I'm trying to remove, well, how do we call them? When you prepare banana, there are those things that sticks on your hand. So I was trying to remove them using ash, but it's like it's not working. So I want to find something that is going to work. Yeah, then we go and prepare our lunch together. So guys, we are now road to 3,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Hit that subscribe button, join our membership. It's as low as $10. Feel free to comment anything you feel about this video in the comment section. Yeah, and also don't forget to give this video a like. Yeah, let's reach as many people as possible. The more likes, the more YouTube will recommend your video to other viewers. Yes, so we are just along the road. Yes, that's a matatu. Yeah, so that is a road. Yeah, and it's a main road, not just this small road. It's a very main, it's a big, not it's a big road. Yeah, so right now I want to prepare lunch, but let me wash my hands first, then we continue doing what we do. I told you, when I look at myself, don't worry, because when I use my front camera, I look at myself very much. And by the way, do you love the quality of our videos nowadays? Yes, for me, I love it so much. So help me appreciate my sister by hitting that like button. With in the comment section, let's drop the red emojis for her. Yeah, red emojis for my sister. I'm spitting. Red emojis for my sister. Yes, let those emojis come. So let's continue the work, guys. Let me not talk a lot, but let's do this. I'm not having a that's why I'm not that cold. My hands are here, they're stuck here. So but let's do this. So I'm going to use this soap. And I hope it's going to help. This banana was very fresh, so and this is one reason why I don't love preparing bananas, just because of this. I don't know how it's called in English, so I won't lie to you that I know. Kelele on my video.
Najumiza. Mom. Najumiza. Nafanya hello guys.
Acha kuongea ndio sikuwa nataka unishoot.
Yeah.
So you can see how tricky this is. No, just stand up. Stand up, Derek.
What? Nama. Sina nama.
Kinama utaniona. Woo! You can look at my hands, guys. This is so tricky. Inaonekana kweli? So you can imagine the struggle of washing your hands after this. But I told you we are along the road, but it's not that busy like I have to see vehicles. No, maybe you're going to see a vehicle after 10 minutes. Yeah. after every 10 minutes, after every 5 minutes. Yeah, so it depends. We hii nayo ilikuwa very fresh, nakwambia hizi sijui kazi zitatoka. Hii imetosha. Mogo. Guys, that one is called Esikuti. I think they are going for a burial. Yeah. Yeah. So that was an onion. Usizoom in venye ulizoomia. Iko hapo 0.5. Yeah. So my jiko really took long to light up, but I think right now it's okay. So I now want to start preparing our banana. So here are the bananas. Then here we have tomato. Yeah. Baby, give me that toy. So I think that's enough. Will you come and show them what you're doing here? Come and show it. Jamani. Wacha niwapatie sweet mwende mcheze kubali. Wacha to shoot. So guys, this is our onion. Hey, this jiko I think it's going to take us very slow, but let me add salt so that it can cook fast, and I'll see you when our onions have turned into golden brown, you know. Yeah, I didn't want to cook from inside because it's really hot. Yeah, and at least outside here we have a very cool breeze when you're cooking, the fresh air, you know. So that's why I love cooking from here, and I'm much okay cooking my lunch from out here. And also you can cook supper from here if you start cooking early because of the rains. I told you here in our village it rains a lot. Yeah, you can see even the weather has changed. So by 6 maybe it will have rained. So but when you want to cook early, there are those people who eat their supper by 6, you know. So you can cook from outside. So let me add salt here, and I'm going to see you when our onions have turned into golden brown. Yeah. Okay, our onions have now turned into golden brown. You can show them our onions. I added salt so that they can cook fast, and I was cutting the tomatoes, but let me finish. Ooh, I don't want them to burn. Yeah. Ooh. So they're ready. So those are tomatoes. So they are going also to cook. So I already added salt, but I think that was. So I'm going to add. You see, when you want to know we are in the village, look at this. So all of these salts, then this is where we put it. After removing the washing detergent, you wash it, you clean it very well, then you put your salt there or sugar. Yeah. So I've realized these people love a lot of salt, but I think that's enough for now. So I'm going to use another sufuria to cover it, another pot. So let me go bring it, then we cover so that they can cook very, very fast. Yeah. So let me go and bring the sufuria. You can see our tomatoes have cooked very, very well. So right now I want to add our bananas. And this one they cook very fast. So around 20 minutes they will be ready. I told you these things before they get out of my hand. It will take time, but at least they are not that dark. So the rest, I'll be removing them slowly by slowly. You know, our parents don't use anything to hold a pot, so they just use their bare hands. Yeah, that's an African mom. My hands are not dirty. These are just those things for bananas that I told you about. So don't say, hey Carol, your hands are very, very dirty and you're handling food. No. I've washed my hands, I've cleaned them, they're very, very clean. But those things are still there, but I'll try my best. Before the day ends, I'll have removed them, all of them. Yeah. So this banana, and I know babies are very, very hungry because, you know, it's past lunch. It's already 1. Yeah. This food was supposed to be ready by 1. Oh, but the process of making it is not easy. In your country or where you are watching me from, do you prepare your bananas like this? Do we use the same style? And here you can also boil them for breakfast. So we have, or you can also fry them like this. No. So I'm going to add water, then cover it to cook for at least 20 minutes. I had already added salt, so let me go and get water. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes.
I'm playing.
So I want to add what? That is water. Yes, that's enough. So I'm going to leave it to cover it for some time, at least 20 minutes. But I know around 15 minutes it will be ready because it cooks very, very fast. Yeah. So just like that. Then I use this other pot to cover it. So guys, you can see our food is now ready. I want to serve. Yeah, it's very ready. So it has soup because of the kids, you know. Yeah. So we have to put soup.
Wow, inakaa poa.
Nilikuwa nakuita kipaku. Unajua mimi sijui kupakua Ati ni jibu. Unajua mimi sijui kupakua kimungu baba.
Inakaa poa.
Inakaa vizuri.
Wewe ni muoga.
Nimewekea supu kama yote.
Ini yangu.